Fuck. पत्थर लग गया भाई साइड स्टैंड में.
There is not much that can go wrong in it. Put it up and down. Keep the side stands disengaged. It has magnet in it. If I look at the screen, that side stand signal is gone. And now this is how we fixed it.
Fuck. पत्थर लग गया भाई साइड स्टैंड में. साइड स्टैंड सेंसर में पत्थर लग गया.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And on our last ride, what happened is that a big stone came and hit this part of the side stand, and my side stand sensor was malfunctioned. It was not giving the right signal, even though it was not engaged. The display showed the side stand as engaged, and I was not able to start the engine as well. I was somewhere in between the jungle, but boys had a fix. They did some hack because when it was in this position, the sensor was disengaged, so we put a rubber or something so that it always stays in this position. But then it came with its own problem that I was not able to shift the gear. Very difficult for me to shift the gear. I had to press the stand down in the moving bike and then change the gear, because the rubbers that I had put here obstructing the movement of the gear knob. So that was one of the problem. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how do I fix this thing exactly. So we are going to first open the stand, for which you need a screw. There is a screw and there is one bolt. So let's first open this, then we'll see what all is there inside this. So I've taken the stand off, and there is not much to it actually. There is one just piece which stays on top of it, and there is one more piece. You see this big block, large block, and it has some wire as well if you see inside. So the electric line comes inside it, and this guy right here, it has magnet in it. You see this? So this guy has magnet. So when stand is engaged, it comes in this position. Okay, so this magnet is far from this, and as it closes, it goes near, and that's where the stand would engage. I'll quickly show you. So let me first put it in the position when the stand is engaged. Now let's see what is there on the display. So if I see on the display, I will see the side stand. So now let me put it back to the position when the stand is disengaged. Okay, so you see it is like this. Now if I look at the screen, that side stand signal is gone, and now what it says the service. So there is not much that is going on inside it. It's simple electronics. What I think is that this guy, when it goes close, adds the magnetic field energy or something. It changes something on the current, and which changes the value of the sensor. So what exactly went wrong in this, I exactly don't understand. I see no reason why this would go wrong. So let me just try to clean it up and put it back and see if it helps or not. So there was a lot of sludge that had came from the chain lube, and here also, but there was a lot of dirt and all sitting down. So I've cleaned it up, and let's see if it helps or not, because there is not much to get damaged here. So finally I put it like this, and now let's see what is on the screen. It says service and not the side stand. So let's put it back. So I'll show you something very interesting. You see this slight movement? So in this position it says side stand here, but if I move a bit, put it in the right position, it changes to service. So there is a very small room, and what I think has happened, I see a bit of scratch here. A stone would have come and hit it and put it back in this position, and that is what would have caused the sensor to always get engaged. So So folks, there's not much to do here, okay? I want you to remember this. Whenever side stand malfunction happens, which means that even though your side stand is not engaged, the sensor on your on the display, you would see this side stand signal and your bike won't start. So you don't have to do much in that case. Just take a 17 wrench, loosen up this particular bolt or nut, whatever it is, and this guy will be free, right? So try to move it up and down, keep the side stands disengaged, okay? Try to move it up and down and see at what position your signal gets corrected on the display. Whatever position that is, hold it here and tighten up this screw, and that's all. You're good to go. Now, why I did not go to the service center is that I have started going to a lot of off-road rides, and there is very high chance this might happen again. So I wanted to exactly understand what could go wrong in this. And honestly, there is nothing that could go wrong in it. It's just the magnet which moves here and there and engages and disengages. So right now, if you see, this is in the disengaged position and my screen says service. Now let me try to move it away, basically engage the stand, and you can see that side stand signal is back on the screen. So this is how we fixed it. Now the toughest part in it is to put this spring actually, and I'll show you how to put this.
कहाँ गए भाई पवन भाई, जहाँ जहाँ ना ले जाए अपने को। I had a video.
Jumps. Everyone can jump.
Yeah, it is recorded. Everything is recorded.
Will you stand up and record? Yeah, we can do it. Jump videos.
Wait. I'll take it on phone, ना. हाँ. जंप वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करना है. हाँ.